Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For me, Mamma, Aqua, Babim, Ediba, Tuma GHS, so Nama, Ubutua, Enina, Sabri, breaking news, Abetoja, and a midday episode more away video. So, I feel a year 2021, I feel Kura and the Asha, and so a year and summer, Ebobano to say that is a new a year, Nick Pine Society, because I feel I shut the night and Nadia, Nipa, any other sense, let me say. You better take after the course so a year 2027 and perform go 40 film that is over 10 year shock at the amount. That is a year expected for a 2021 expected be a cost of 101. You be a better day now or how near men who are you who 2020 now to say it's me. I relax it a different hand. So, I'm going to say, son and tears up a bit to jam me the soon. Nania any year will come. Reggae nation, you can't reggae. One more Rasta for numpa, one pepano. So one can say you call one tongue. Reggae nation, you can't reggae nation swap. Untimi and Cabrega will be a year Bob Mali, Eddie Efim na a black, a better just a woo grab on Sunday, yes, a Fananiano. Will be a dropping in words of condolence at the yard of 70 man for photo to know. Nasa and a bay, yes, Sabri, the Tiabato just said. Nigeria artists were worried no and etino, one also 80 at one and anum, ewa and said Michelle Rita Mali. There was a 4-way and some way a year Zimbabwe War Veteran Association and a woman added as from year a year, the fans and they go forward to move yourself and then yet as a woman epic reggae musica, one more Eddie woman Eddie reggae, a chi and as a woman added woman say, and a AC, that is will be and what enter say a woman. Now in 7 say and woman Eddie to your say. Reggae music fans mourn reggae icon Iron Lady, popularly known as Mama Africa Rita Mali. She died on 8th January 2021. The 74-year-old songstress is no more. Artist and one more Nsema, one more Eddie Etuja artist and when they announce the passing away of a year Rita Mali, Bob Marley. Reggae musician no yere artist wo jano chi ebra wo to nanam ewo ensenu na mami we wo share na dwumedie a wedi ewo ni biase oba ya to say mami no wa ye dwuma pa aside to say nikunu reggae artist nikunu gidi ewo yesa fana nya no no amu so ebo a nikunu ewo kwa hodo so bebre enum etromu ene ebiem so nikunu wu yesa na be ya ni nnwom ne bekọ so atra ko echire na te so push akọ echire no so de nnwom to a chiro no e back no yesa adwuma ne pa ansa na wo wu krampo no na oye member of the I3s group a vocal group at the woman so was Zimbabwe na ebiem so no na enkofuko omo sa group kro no ma Marcia Griffiths ene Judy Mowat at the no ebomu eto nnwom wo biase afa na nyina na ebiem so no woni Bob Marley eware ye no womo etimi ekabomu ewo emma 6 artists womo emma no nia eda so etiase atese agwe arosem kese pa na asat when na in some way ever that the lioness of reggae sabre watona na ewan said on the pato na na tis womo in omo condolence atese aye arosem a do na aboto efa Rita Mali niwu a wewu enu no da ni miemu no so mo de bade asese nyankopon ti ma no enyincha at the age of 74 and I would me if you never form Nintia Yena and no Ninti wa who shake so no a dear pa and a whatever kai a yamami Rita Mali so a reggae fan now the reggae music a dear pan of version so then I'll be kai doom at the kind of Sabria will be at the condolence no to the also with me what they alpha a year too much GH your comment section one not to say what they ask me now we understand to know or share Kaiboy Eddie all the social media platforms and will be here everything and Eddie Alpha a year reggae icon Wobai or Badende Iron Lady Nuwa Wu and Michelle Rita Mali Nuwa will not be able to follow him our Instagram Twitter so at too much GH_ Facebook also a too much GH neka only said we could be able to chidom Eddie Jumedi Abraham Mama Juliet Ventures Mama Juliet is still now no Woba kitchen and CC Bay come a bear and over kitchen within 5 minutes we pie na tsa kade papa brands dimu brands che and what they so modia no wa modia for the number no friend one so dey da form 24/7 or you available living room so can one say academia no will be able to say anything friend no now one more was aqua so loan master so see fan ka bo we emma e pan adwuma phone ya say sabre say we tike kra we say no e so bi obi no say January there you do na wie na January ba ya tai papa 31 days na so na mu change say tigasem e wo form obi a dream obi di ochina we say sika ni dey do na nti dey akanu sha na opetika kudo bi e dia finance project bi e da we ni so anasa we dey eche ma fees ni dey ka won bi a ubetimi afro month pass within 24 hours we metimi a process loan e dia ma na won so wetimi the finance e ye won nyama e da we ni so na won so nya botre echia ye busa na waje no but ye isi won e da won interest rate no e wo fon bokokra pa wucha pa month atike bi ase wuchia empo sesike bi po yeti e dey free wakeche mu nti no master force from na wo mo enyo mu a wo sakwa ne so na bi mo so we ka for ni true feel e dey mo ni true feel so say mo mo ba dan so e fa ma na te say wo dan no nya ho abaso body wo pa bre wo mu no be won ko for do na wo dan so apa a te say kala sister we kra bi kra tutu a te say operi to bra wo chen wo dem wa ma te say wo dem wa wo kra ko no wo say we dan no asisa nanti se o pese wo dan na wa boso ne endimu na nye kama padia ye ni true for say yan kan chem say see akra de o discount kra ka o matwo mo boso ma apart from planty sabre ye bra wetimi afro no metimi abeso mo kwan suko so medi ade na ama obusa na me ya de besa edi hia bi matramo.
Prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.
Too much GH. We did akose Japan. E brebi am bese me TV. Me hwe too much GH. Omo de mufu a. Hey, omo sports and as entertainment. Hey, omo de mufu. Mo ko so show mo. No ni beji de bia. Me da ma say love you.